Well, here we are, guys and girls. A lovely pleasant evening. I've tucked myself away right down the end here actually. The reason for my swim selection tonight is because the other night when I was opposite here, I basically saw a big fish roll off the side of this point out here. The previous time I've been here, I've seen some fish showing more over this side than over that side. That's the swim over there that I was fishing the other night, and I have done for a couple of nights, but I've literally just got a bait just off the edge of the sunken swim there, and then a bait out there 30-40 yards, a perfect spot. And I nearly put one over there, but I wasn't really happy about the spot. That one fit, the one sort of over there feels a lot better. So we'll give it a go. I sort of sat up literally on top of the rods. I'm just spin round because there you go. So I don't want to be too far away from the left hand rod, to be fair. Maybe I get down there. It disappears around to the left of the point. I've got some wellies on so I can wade out a little bit, but once it's gone too far I'm pretty doomed really. But there's quite a depth of water there, so I'm lucky I can miss the snags that are further around. So we get on. I quite like the way the wind is pushing onto this bank. Very nearly went on a swim a friend of mine fished the other night and had 5 fish out of, might have been 7 actually. Where the wind's pelting down there, but I'm not really a fan of setting up in a swim where someone's got a lot of carp from, unless you're unfortunate enough to not actually know this until after the event. But no, I shall keep the information in the back of my mind about where he caught them from and when, and maybe use that sometime later to my advantage. You never know. Anyway, we'll catch up with you soon. Hopefully we'll bag a carp, and yeah, should be good. Should be good. Leave you that beautiful view, hey. Stunning 25-pound cobber. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Shoot. Right, let's get it back, shall we? Get it back to where it belongs. Well, the geese are departing for the day, aren't we lucky? Damn things. Just keep you up all night, they do. Whoa. So, it's about 5:45 now. Just the one fish. I'm quite surprised that the left hand rod never went off. Didn't even pick up a cinch on that one. And a few more bleach on the right hand rod. See the 25 in the night. Yeah, the geese. Whoa. No sleep really. The monkeys. There you go, that's fishing for you. Anyway, that's the update from last night. Conditions are pretty good. Shame I've got to head home, but that is life, isn't it? Perhaps we'll crikey, I don't know what they're up to now. I'm not back for about 4 or 5 nights now. My daughter's birthday over the weekend, So loads of family stuff going on. I'm back Tuesday night next week. So we'll catch up then and be lucky over the weekend, folks. Enjoy yourself. And don't forget to subscribe, a few comments, look at these conditions. And get out there and enjoy yourself. Catch up soon. Bye bye now.